3, 2, 1, here we go. Craig Proctor System Nation. You like that? Craig Proctor System Nation. All right, number one, real estate business building system in history. What is this video about? All right, so check it out. April 15th, 16th, and 17th. All right, we have the Platinum OSA workshop. Okay, and this is the most requested training from Platinum members over the last 16 years. Can you do another workshop? Can you do another Platinum workshop? Can you do another OSA workshop? Can you do it? And the answer is, we're doing it. April 15th, 16th, and 17th. So if you're watching this video and you're sort of new around here, maybe you're coaching level, or maybe you're sort of new to Platinum, like what is that all about? All right, so here you go in 3 minutes. You ready? All right, check this out. It's called the Platinum Ultimate Sales Team Training Library. That is in the file library on the coaching site at craigproctorcoaching.com. See that? Library, file library, Platinum Ultimate Sales Team Training Library. In this library, you can see right there, there are 36 files, 36 pieces of content and material that are extremely valuable. All right, so here's how it goes down. You can see these day 1, day 2, day 3, day 1, day 2, day 3 programs right there. Okay, that's essentially the workshop materials. But we have completely updated, upgraded, and did a little secret little stirring them up a little bit so they're even more relevant for the current marketplace. Okay, so I'm super excited about that. And we're going to be sharing all of that with you over these 3 days. All right, so here's how this all came about and went down. All right, so again, April 15th, 16th, and 17th, Platinum OSA Workshop. You're invited. Here's how you get involved in it. Okay, it's on the private Facebook pages. So Platinum has a private closed group Facebook page, just like coaching members have a private closed group Facebook page. If you're watching this video and you are not connected to the private closed group Facebook page, you've got to do that. How do you do it? Zip over a note or email right now to Andrea. Okay, you know Andrea? She sends us all the reminders like practically every day on the next webinar or coaching session that we're doing. Let her know right now, and she actually is an admin on these Facebook pages. She'll get you connected, because if you're not connected to the private closed group Facebook page, you're going to struggle getting on and watching this training over the next 3 days. All right. So I want to give you a little bit of a history on this training and how it came about and why you will benefit from it. All right. But April 15th and 16th and 17th are some special days. Those were the days that we had for the April Anaheim Social Media Marketing Summit that we actually postponed. Okay, so we had to move that down the road a little bit for obvious reasons, but we don't want those days to go wasted. So I said, hey Craig, let me do what Platinum members are screaming for, one of these OSA workshops on, and he said, great idea, go for it, let's do it, invite everybody. And I'm like, done, brother, let's do it. Okay, so here we are. Let's rewind the clock to 2000 and, oh my gosh, 2004. Okay, I'm on the phone with Craig Proctor, and we're talking about something. And I said, look, buddy, I gotta go. I gotta go train my team. I've got my OSA workshop going on. And he's like, what is that? And I said, well, at the end of every month, for 3 days, I get my entire team together in the room, and I walk them through the moment the lead shows up. And we go through every system, from the moment that lead shows up, whether it's a buyer or seller lead, and everything that happens next, so that we end up with a lifetime customer, including the lifetime customer system. The DISC, the sales skills, negotiating skills, and closing skills training, dealing with objections, getting our pricing, the benefits presentations and everything. It takes me 3 days to get through your stuff with my team. And he goes, hey, that sounds pretty good. Why don't you invite all of the Platinum members to that? And I'm like, great idea. So we started doing those workshops throughout the year, every year since, inviting people to it. And you can talk to anybody in Platinum and they'll tell you, yep, those things are good. So it will be hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of agents back at their respective offices looking at the monitor or at their home office watching this online with a notepad and with a pen, and we're going to be walking through the materials for doing just that. If you want to sell more homes and you want to make more money and you don't want to give up your personal life to do it, then this 3-day workshop is for you. Okay, you guys got it? So there's a little history on it. I hope you'll join us, and we're going to start hitting you with videos and content, reminders, and tips between now and that workshop. All right, April 15th, 16th, and 17th, we're going to start at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to go to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, live. So if you're on the West Coast, what would that be? If I started at 10, it's like 7. All right, you got it. That's even better. You get started at 7 a.m. Pacific Time, and we get to finish up at 1 p.m. Pacific Time. So you get to benefit from those early hours. All right, you guys with it? Excellent. We look forward to working with you then, but carve out those days. Let's do it. All right, thanks. Go serve big. See ya.